In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your Instacart shopper account after deactivation. And I'm assuming this was deactivation that you didn't request, of course. So if you haven't noticed, they will have sent you an email if your account was deactivated for maybe suspicious activity or something of the likes, anything to do with deactivation from their side. And it'll look something similar to this. And what you want to do is just click on this to go to their security form. They'll ask you for a few documents and so forth. You'll fill out their form and wait for them to get back to you. Now, this can end in one of two ways, which if we look on their Help Center website, we can see that approved appeals, your account gets reactivated and refund requests can be processed. However, if your appeal is denied, your account stays deactivated and refund requests are denied. Now, if this deactivation was truly no fault of your own, your only real option is, and this was no idea of my own, this was actually from a Reddit user. If I do manage to find the post again, I will put it on the screen. But what this user did was send them a notice of arbitration. Again, make sure that you have not violated anything that you contractually agreed to. And since you're going to send this in the mail, they are going to have a human who reads it, which means a human will be dealing with your issue. And generally, they don't want to waste time with legal proceedings. And again, since it was no fault of your own, a human will be able to see that and reactivate your account. Remember, this is only a notice, so nothing is happening yet. You are just doing your due process. And I believe they have about 30 to 35 days to respond to this notice before you can take proper legal action here. Again, I am in no way the legal counsel or knowledgeable on any of this legal terminology, so I would definitely speak to an actual lawyer, but this does seem to be the way to go as this user's account was reactivated. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that helped you out a little bit. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.